Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Geek from Ghana. I appreciate the support and the love that I have received so far. It's been amazing. So today we're going to be dealing with variables, comments, and a few fundamental things that we do in programming right here as we do batch scripting. So in case you haven't noticed, we're going to be using Notepad. We're not going to be using any fancy IDE editor. We're not going to be using any of that. We are just going to be using Notepad. So please do open your Notepad. And on the first thing we're going to do is to write a comment. So if you're with me, type REM and then variables, comments, and more. All right. So whenever you type REM, you actually are using a keyword that means whatever comes next is a variable on the line. So, a comment on the line. So a comment basically is a line in your code that you don't want to have executed. You don't want the line to be executed as part of your code. So to do that, you actually type the keyword REM. Okay. And then now we're going to create a variable. Okay. And then we're going to say set message equals to hi guys. So whenever we want to create a variable, the keyword to use is set. Okay, then afterwards the name of the variable and then what the variable is supposed to contain or the contents of the variable. Okay, so whenever you want to create a variable, use the keyword set. And then how do we refer to that article, or sorry, the variable to use? So use the keyword echo. We are using echo for this use case so that we can print to our screen. And then to call your variable, you'd use the percentage, the name of your variable, and then percentage. So this is how you reference your variable. Okay, and then finally we're going to add a third or fourth line that says pause, and then that will be it for our contents at this point. Okay, so the word pause actually makes your message actually stay on. If you don't use pause, it will just display and then close. Okay, so I'm going to save, and I'm going to save it as a bat file. Okay, so let me say founder, okay, .bat, and then I'm going to change the type to files, yes, and then save. Okay, so now let me open the folder and then run it, and let's all see how it comes up. Okay, so now let's close this first, and then let's just run this. Okay, so when I run this, this is what I got. You see that the comment is actually displaying, this is it's showing all the commands, okay, and then it's displaying hi guys and then pause. Okay, so I'm going to press any key to continue. I'm going to edit this. Now the commands are showing, and one thing that you'd want to do as well is to make sure that your commands do not show. So before I even do the comment, I'm going to add a line, and you're going to say at echo and off. Okay, and then I'm going to save this as well. So once this is saved, I'm going to close this and then run it again. And then now when I run, I only see hi guys, and then press any key to continue. So you want to use the echo off to make sure that none of your commands are actually showing. Okay, the placement of it is also quite important as well. Okay, so with one shot, we've handled variables and then comments. Okay, so please do like, share, and subscribe. This has been a short tutorial. We're going to be looking at other topics in terms of bash scripting quite soon. So please do stick around. We'll meet on the other side. Peace out.